Alrighty, so here is the next part of my Geometry Dash level editor. Let me go back to over here. So this is what we saw last time, and then I have expanded on the level. There will be one more video after this with the completed level where I'll show off both levels I've done. Alrighty. So as you can see here, the player originally went through this and then that was it. Well, stopped here actually. They stopped here, didn't they? They stopped right here. And then I added this little section on here because with here they turn back to normal, go here, and then they go through here and they gotta jump. Just a little spike there and then jump and go through here. I like how symmetrical it is. Go through here and then in here they go through the sky, so they gotta the clouds they can run into, but they gotta avoid this sky here, and then they've gotta avoid these two little decorations, but they actually do have collisions on them, so that player has to be careful there. And then they get in here and they go back to normal. And then now they have to go through here again. So I like the design of being more enclosed. I think it adds a little bit more challenge, and I don't know, it just felt a little more awkward with it being so open on the top and bottom. So more enclosed again. They've got a staircase here and they've got spikes, so they gotta be a little careful. Then they go down this staircase, and the point of this one is, when you're going up, you have to jump, but this one, you kind of just ride, don't jump. If you get here, your instinct is to jump, so I've jumped into this spike a couple times just because your instinct is to jump, but you just let it ride here and then go through this portal, and then you'll be flying to the end of the level. So that is what I've added so far. I've designed the level differently each time, and I'll erase them because I don't like how it looks. So it's kind of time consuming in this editor just because there's so many menus and so many pieces. And you're trying to find something specific. It can be kind of hard to remember where everything is. There's a lot of features, which is cool, but I just can't. I don't know. I need better tutorials online because there's not a ton of really great tutorials out there for this level either. And the editor isn't exactly user friendly. It's a little complicated. So some better tutorials could really help me use all these amazing features that I know are possible, but they just seem to figure out because nobody's really showing them off super well. So I really do like the design of this. I think it flows very smoothly. It's all very fast-paced. That's what the game is all about, being super fast-paced. I like the portals. I think the portals make it fun, changes up the level a little bit, so it just feel like the same thing over and over again. And especially since there's so many different types of portals, like finding the portal that makes you go upside down, and then finding the portal that makes you be a rocket ship, and all of these different pieces is really, really fun. I am going to wait to show you how it plays until the next video when I can show the whole level as one. I think it flows better that way when you can just seamlessly show off the entire level as one. So, but I did want to explain the design and show off what I have so far.